Alright, let's dive a little bit nitty gritty of the control flow. So quick review, a crucial point is the like the Boolean, right? True or false, okay? And we talk about operators. And if you use the Boolean in the operators, we got like comparison operators. Let me show you. I don't want it to be too vague, right? So for example, we got like a different data type, like integer double string. We already introduced you to that, right? And yeah, let me just write some code and we can see what's going on here. So for example, let's a correct, okay? Correct. I'm gonna say the correct is a Boolean. Right, it's a bool, and then Boolean is true or false, right? So correct is true, okay? And then you can say wrong, okay? Also a Boolean, and then that will be false. Really simple, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is to doing the comparison. So how to do the comparison? When you just add one, this equal sign, that's a sign, so assigned value, okay? So basically right now you assign the true value to correct, the false value to wrong, okay? Really simple. But what I'm going to do is to, instead of a sign, I'm going to do the comparison. So I'm going to say, well, I want to compare the correct to wrong, okay? Right or wrong. Maybe right or wrong, that's more, yeah. So if I compare this, it can be true or can be false. So basically I want to compare whether the true is equal to the false. Obviously it's not equal to the false, so what I'm going to do is to print it out and you actually can see the result here. Okay, if I print it, you actually see the results false. Okay, because true is equal to true, not equal to false. What I'm going to do is to just make this true and then doing the comparison again. This time it should be true because true and true exactly the same. Doing the comparison exactly the same. So yeah, basically use that to compare values. Okay, so you can also change it. Okay, sometimes you don't need to infer that. Let me just give you some more example here. So for example, you can just let anything, okay, any number, like a number 1 equal to a certain number like 5. Okay, let another number 2 equal to number 6. And then you can print whether the number 1 is completely equal to number 2. Remember, not using one equal sign because that will be a sign, okay? I'm going to do the comparison. I think this is like let, we can't like reassign things. So yeah. False, because 5 is not equal to 6. Okay? So I can change it. This time I'm going to change it to 6. I run this, it should be true because it's exactly the same. Okay?